Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cooking with Barbara Modani. If you're new here, karibu sana, you're so much welcome. Remember to subscribe and to press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video and you'll be part of this wonderful family. So guys, today we are going to prepare two types of coffee. One is iced coffee, the other one is mocha coffee. So if you want to learn how to prepare the most delicious coffee in town, you know what to do. You better stay tuned. To prepare the mocha coffee and the iced coffee, you'll need the following ingredients. You'll need some sugar, instant coffee, cocoa powder unsweetened, some few bars of chocolate, some milk, I'll show you what this is for, and then some hot water and ice cubes for the iced coffee. So let's get started. So we are going to start by preparing our iced coffee, and to do that we need instant coffee, we need ice cubes, we need sugar, we need water, we need milk, and of course a glass. So what we're going to do is, we're going to start by measuring 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, leveled, not heaped. So 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and then we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can always adjust this to your preference. You can add more sugar. And then we are going to need 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water. So I've added 2 tablespoons first. Then you mix them together, ensure that everything is well mixed. And also guys, I had earlier shown you how to prepare dalgona coffee, so you can add that in the list of coffees that you can prepare at home. Yeah, so once everything is well mixed, we're going to take our glass, and then we're going to add our ice cubes. I think those are good to go. And then next we are going to add our milk. Three-quarter way, and then we're going to add our mixed coffee and sugar. It looks so nice already. Let me show you up. So there it is. I've just started using this straw, and there you have your simple but delicious iced coffee. Yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed and you've learned how to prepare iced coffee. So next, let's go on to preparing the mocha coffee. So next we're going to prepare mocha coffee, and to prepare mocha coffee you'll need an empty bowl that you're going to work with, and then you need instant coffee, 1 tablespoon. You need cocoa powder. You can either use cocoa powder or you can use bars of chocolates. So you can't use both of them, you choose either that you're going to use. Obviously if you don't have bars of chocolate at home, you probably have some cocoa powder somewhere. So in this case, I'm going to use the bars of chocolate, so I'm not going to use the cocoa powder. This was just to show you that nothing can stop reggae. So, and then you need some hot water and some milk that you're going to boil, and lastly you need some sugar. So let's get on to it. So what you're going to do first is we are going to melt the chocolate, and we're going to place the chocolate in a bowl or a glass, just like that, and then we're going to pour in our hot water, 3 tablespoons. Ensure the water is hot, not warm, so that it can help the chocolate to melt. Then we're going to leave the chocolate for 1 minute so that it can be easy for us to work with it after it melts. And as the chocolate is melting, we are going to start simmering our milk. And I'm saying simmering because we're not going to boil it. So let's get on to it. So in a sufuria, we are going to add our glass of milk, and then we are going to place it on the cooker. Please don't allow the milk to boil. You're just simmering it for 3 minutes, or you can use your microwave and you place the milk inside for 1.5 minutes. So it's 1 minute past, and by now our chocolate has melted, as you can see. So I'm just trying to mix everything together. Then next we're going to add a half a tablespoon, or rather 1 teaspoon of sugar. So I'm using a tablespoon, so I'm just going to add half of it, because remember the chocolate is already sweet, so we don't want to overdo the sweetness. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Guys, make sure you use instant coffee for all these recipes. And then we are going to mix. It smells so nice. The combination of chocolate and coffee is just a match made in heaven. Yeah, so that is ready. We are going to check on our milk. So guys, this is what I'm telling you. It should not boil at this point. It is good to use, so we're just going to switch off the heat and start working on our mocha. So what I've done, I've just transferred the milk into a jar, and then here is our what should I call it, our bottle. You can use a bottle or a jar or anything that is heat resistant and has a lid. So what you're going to do here is you're going to froth the milk. If you have a frother, well and good, you can use that, but since I don't have that, and as we said, nothing can stop reggae, I'm going to add our milk into this jar. You can use the kawaida bottle as long as it is heat resistant, or you can stand the heat yourself. So what you're going to do is we are going to shake this milk for around 1 minute so that you can get the froth that we want to make the mocha coffee. Yeah, so guys, I've been shaking this for 1 minute, and now I think it is good to use. So next we are going to take our glass, and then we are going to add our chocolate coffee mixture. The smell is so nice. And then next we are going to add our milk, and then we're going to add it in a tilted position. And there is our froth that we wanted. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, so this is the froth that I'm talking about, from here going up. Yes, so, and just like that you have your mocha coffee. And just for presentation purposes, we are going to sprinkle in some cocoa powder. I hope you enjoyed this video and you've learned how to prepare mocha coffee at home. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cooking with Barbara Modoni. If you're new here, karibu sana, you're so much welcome. Remember to subscribe and to press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video.